So this is the yield constraint calculator. This calculator estimates the water limited yield potential by accounting for the soil plant available water capacity, the stored soil water at sowing, and also the gross amount of seasonal rainfall. So essentially this tool will be able to help identify areas in your wheat crop that are reaching potential and then areas that aren't. So I'll just spend the next couple of minutes just showing you how to navigate your way around the tool. So the first thing you need to do is identify where you are. So by using this map, you can identify the nearest weather station to your property. There's over 670 weather stations, so you're bound to find one near you. And you can zoom in and out quite easily. Say we'll choose Esperance. And to accept the weather station, just click here. The next step you need to do is choose your soil type for the zone that you're interested in. So for Esperance, we are looking most likely at a deep sandy duplex. So you can choose deep sandy duplex. If you are unsure of what your soil type is, you're able to refer to the soil diagnostic tool, which can help you identify what your soil type is. But for now, we know that we're looking at a deep sandy duplex. So simply click. So the next thing you need to do is have a look at your plant available water capacity. A suggested range is indicated as according to the soil type that you've just chosen. So now we move down to having a look at what years that you're particularly interested in. So initially when you open the tool, 2007 to 2011 automatically comes up. But say if you're interested in 2006, first thing you do is click Insert New Year and you simply enter 2006. At this point you can also enter your observed yield. So we're going to say we got 2.6 tonnes per hectare in 2006. So from here you'll be able to see that you've put in the observed yield and it's compared against the potential yield. So this is then graphed in the graph below. Here you can see observed yield in comparison to potential yield. To insert another observed yield, simply click here. So for 2007, we can insert that we got 3.5 tonnes per hectare. As you can see, then this is then graphed in the graph below. Some other features of the tool that you've probably already noticed is, in addition to be able to compare it against your potential yield, you're given an indication of what the constraint is present and your water use efficiency. So if the constraint percentage is greater than 100%, obviously you're reaching a yield greater than potential. So in 2007, if your constraint percentage is lower than 100%, then your yield is poorer than potential. And you can have a look at your water use efficiency, which is your kilos of grain per millimetre of rainfall. If you're no longer interested in those particular years, you can just simply delete them. If you'd like to have a look at another zone, you just click the tabs up here and click New. So we can call this Zone 3. And then you can continue on entering the information for Zone 3, and you can also adjust your weather station and your soil type.